Hey friends, if your eyes are hurting from the brightness of your Chrome screen, then this video is perfect for you. So if you also wanted to have this dark mode in your Chrome, let me teach you how to enable and disable your dark mode in Chrome. So the very first thing that you have to do is to open your Google Chrome. Then in here, you just have to type Chrome colon // then flags. Then click enter. So in here, you'll be able to see this search bar. So you just have to type dark. Then you will be directed to this auto dark mode for web contents. So as for mine, it's already enabled. So I'm going to disable this. So I just have to click this one, this part here, and I will click disabled. So here on the lower right corner, there is relaunch. So you just have to click this one. And then now it's back to the normal one. So if you wanted to enable your dark mode, you just have to repeat the process. So you just have to type again Chrome colon // then flags. Then search in here dark, the auto dark mode for web contents. Then click this one and click enabled. Again, relaunch. And you now have your dark mode in Chrome. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please consider if this video helped you. Please give us your like and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell so that you will be notified with our new videos. Thank you.